If you're new to Airbnb hosting and worried about who can book your property without having any reviews and all that, there are a few settings you can check. For that, first you need to log into Airbnb from your computer. Do not try and use a phone app because it's very confusing from their phone app. Once you are logged in, go over to Switch to Hosting tab on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Once you are there, click on Menu and go to your listings and then choose your listing. This will open your listing. You need to go into Policies and Rules, which is the third tab here. And the second option here is Instant Book. Click on Edit. Now, Instant Book is a setting. You can turn it on and off anytime you want, as many times as you want. It is good to keep Instant Book on because it encourages people to book your property because no one likes to wait. When instant booking is off, that means everyone has to send you a booking request and then you can ask them any questions, and only after you're happy, you can pre-approve or accept their booking request. But you will see a lot less interest in your property when instant booking is off. When instant booking is on, it doesn't mean it's free for all. Anyone can book your property. There are a few more settings you can add on top. The first one is good track record. So if you're worried about people who are new to Airbnb, who do not have a good track record, might be able to book your property, you can just flick this button on. And after that, Airbnb will make sure anyone who has stayed on Airbnb in the past, who has a good 5-star reviews from their previous hosts, will be able to book your property without waiting for your approval, and everyone else has to still send you a booking request. Another setting which I would recommend is add this pre-booking message. When you flick this button, this new field will open where you can add your pre-booking message. For example, you can write something like, please share the purpose of your visit and who will be accompanying you. This message will be displayed to everyone who's booking your property, and all it does is it encourages them to share the detail, and also it shows them that you are an aware host. You're constantly trying to monitor who's coming and what they're going to be doing when they're staying over. These are the two settings I would recommend if you're worried about people booking your property without having a good track record, or who may not be the ideal client you're looking for. Once you're done, just click on save and these settings will be applied straight away. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you're worried about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.